Give your orchids these leaves, and they will bloom all year round. They will amaze you with large, beautiful flowers, so many that you'll lose count. New buds will keep appearing, and stems will grow fuller each day. You'll also see plenty of new, healthy roots. The right fertilizer will not only strengthen your orchids, but also stimulate their blooming. Used regularly, it works wonders. A simple yet powerful fertilizer can be made from these leaves, bay leaves. Use about 10 of them, crush them, and place them in a container. Add 3 tablespoons of rice, then pour in half a liter of boiling water. Cover the container and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. After that, blend the mixture and strain the liquid through a sieve. Add 2.5 liters of water. Use this fertilizer to water your orchids, making them healthier, stronger, and full of blooms. This solution is rich in essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. You can also wipe or spray orchid leaves with this fertilizer. No matter how you use it, your orchid will thrive, grow beautifully, and bloom abundantly. Just 1 teaspoon is enough to bring even the weakest orchid back to life and make it bloom again. Even an orchid with just 1 healthy leaf still has a chance. Instead of tossing it out, give it a second life. Start by removing any yellow leaves and rotten roots, then prepare a simple homemade tonic. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Orchids love this natural boost. Place the garlic in a jar and add about 4 cups of warm water. Stir in 1 teaspoon of honey, which helps protect the plant from pathogens. Close the jar and let the mixture sit for about 4 hours. Then strain it into a larger container and add another 4 cups of clean water. Place your orchid in a bowl and pour the diluted mixture over it. Let it soak for about 20 minutes. Afterward, plant the orchid in a pot and water it with the same mixture. Clean the leaves and place it in a quiet spot. Soon, you'll see new roots. You can also use the leftover water to feed or wipe other orchids. Repeat this treatment every few weeks. Your orchids will be strong, healthy, and full of blooms. If you notice this, it means you're watering your orchid the wrong way. Do you know how to water orchids properly? Turns out, I was doing it wrong for years. My friends didn't know how to water orchids either. When I showed them how I do it, they started watering theirs the same way. From that moment on, their orchids got a second life, and they started blooming like crazy. First, we need to take a look at the pot. With clear covers, you can see everything. If your orchid has whitish roots, it means it's time to water it, just like here. If you see moss or water droplets inside the cover, it means the orchid doesn't need watering yet. It still has enough moisture. To water orchids properly, get a bowl. Place the orchid inside and water the pot thoroughly, making sure every part gets water. If the nights are cold, be careful not to water the crown. If you make that mistake, the orchid might rot. Leave the flower in the bowl of water for about half an hour to let it hydrate well. After that, you can take it out. Repeat this about every 2 weeks on average. Remember what I mentioned earlier. If you see moss, it means you're overwatering your orchid and need to let it dry out.